making $10,000 per month requires a product for $16.67 to sell 20 times per day for the next 30 days. Now, you can definitely do this with the right strategy and approach. And in today's video, I'm going to be breaking down 3 ways that you can do this. If you're just starting out, this is definitely going to take time for you to put in order to make it work. And if you are already trying to make $10,000 per month, whether you are making 1,000, 2,000, you can scale this if you implement these strategies that I'm about to share with you in today's video. Let's dive right into the first way, and that is selling digital products. Now, there are a lot of people on social media these days that are making bank just by posting their day-to-day life, and they're not just posting because of social media, right? They are posting with the intention to make money through their content, and you can do the same. Whether you're a student or whether you're a working mom or just a regular individual that's doing a 9-to-5 job, you can turn your content into a storytelling machine that will help your audience find you as a safe space and a community to grow. And in order to do this, you need to stay consistent. And a lot of people struggle with staying consistent. And I can tell you from experience that staying consistent and having a life in the back end does take a lot of commitment, and it does take a lot of discipline. So if you're someone that's looking for something where you don't have to show your face, where you don't have to spend a lot of time going back and forth, selling a digital product would be the best option for you if you're looking for a way to make $10,000 per month. And let me break down how you're going to do this. The first thing that you want to do is look at a specific niche that you want to focus on. It could be something like selling ebooks regarding traveling, or it could be on a specific product that teaches people how to do a certain things. And a lot of people these days, they are looking for ways to improve themselves. It could be on a self-development type of ebook. It could also be a financial ebook that teaches people how to save and how to earn. And people gravitate towards things that will transform their life. So look at selling an ebook that teaches people how to lose weight in a certain amount of time. Let's say 6 weeks, let's say 2 months. A lot of people these days are looking to get healthier, happier, and in a better situation in their lives. So you want to use things that has truly impact your life and put it in an ebook. It could be how you made your first $10 online. It could be how someone can actually be a better version of themselves mentally. It could be teaching people how to look at life differently. So there are many things that you can put into an ebook, talk about it on your social, and once people gravitate towards your content, they're likely to purchase things from you. Now, it does require consistency, as I mentioned. It does require you to build a funnel. Now, once you have determined the niche that you want to focus on, the next thing that you want to do is get to writing. But if you're like someone that doesn't want to put pen and paper together and you're looking for the lazy way out, there's always AI to do it for you. You can use ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to create a full guided detail on the niche that you have chosen. Now, once ChatGPT has generated this guide for you, you want to go through the document and you want to personalize it. This could be adding your branding colors or even putting some personal experiences within that guide so it can actually still be very much humanized and connect with your audience. Now, it doesn't stop there. You're going to want to sign up for a platform that will be able to host your ebook. You can use free platforms like Linktree or beacons.com, or you can go for a premium service like a Stan Store. Stan offers you a wide variety of marketing tools that you can use in order to better sell your digital products. And I'm going to go ahead and leave a link to Stan in the description below where you can go ahead and sign up for their free trial. Now, once you have your digital product ready and you have your platform that you'll be hosting it on and will allow you to collect payments, the next thing that you want to do is hop on to your social media platforms. You can use social media platforms like Threads, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter in order to create your community. Remember, our goal is to make $10,000 per month. That means we have to be consistent. We have to ensure that people are trusting us and also providing value at the same time. Even though ChatGPT generated that ebook for you, at the end of the day, you want to make sure that your audience feels very trustworthy of you. You want to create content that sparks engagement and also people trusting and following you at the end of the day. And ultimately, you building a community, not so much a list of followers that doesn't really convert. You want people that are able to do things that will change their lives. If you have sticked around to this segment of the video, I want to thank you and congratulate you because I see that you want to make big impact on your future this year. And in order to do that, it does take you to take some time out of your day in order to learn the strategy to do that. Now, the next way that you can make $10,000 per month consistently online is through selling physical products. Selling your physical products will take a lot of research and work, and it's highly recommended that you look on TikTok Shop and Instagram to find out what are some of the hot selling products. There are a lot of tools out there that allows you to research different products that are trending, and you can also use an app like Zendrop to find out some of the hottest dropshipping items out there. But by far, dropshipping or e-commerce is one of the most lucrative way that one can make $10,000 and more online per month. Now, in order to get started with selling your own physical product, you would need a domain name. And your domain name is a reflection of what your business is about and also something that's memorable. You want to make sure that this is short and sweet. You can use a company like OCenter or Namecheap in order to purchase your domain and host it. So once you have your domain name ready, it's time for you to get your store built. Now, if you don't have any skills in building a Shopify store, don't worry, there are many programs out there that will build an AI store for you, and I'm going to leave those in the description below. Now, once you have your Shopify store built, it is important to note that people would need to know about your product, and that is where Facebook ads come in. Now, if you don't have the money to spend on ads, you can use your social media platform, preferably TikTok, in order to drive more sales to your store. Now, this does require a strategy, and that is why it's important for you to do the necessary research in order to build your store, in order to drive traffic, and in order to convert your visitors. Because there's going to be time when people would want to purchase your product, but there's not a lot of convincing going on. There's not a lot of credibility. So it's important that you have your funnel set up properly. It's important that you have your call to action and also photos of your product and reviews creates a big impact on whether or not someone is likely to purchase from you. Now, the last way that people are able to make $10,000 per month with online is using a skill that is very valuable and offering them to people that actually needs it. And let me explain. There are a lot of companies out there that are looking for people with the expertise of building softwares. They're looking for people with the expertise of marketing and copywriting. Those are high income skills to have, because with those skills, companies rely on freelancers and individuals to help them boost their company. And if you are someone that has those skills, you are more likely to make $10,000 plus per month implementing them as an independent contractor. So let's take, for example, a copywriter. They are the key to unlocking so many opportunities through words, and they will be responsible for creating press release, creating ad copies, manuscripts, and so many more materials that companies need in order to close a deal or in order to catch the attention of their audience. So a lot of these companies are willing to pay big bucks in order for a copywriter to get them new clients through their words written. And it doesn't stop there, because there are a lot of high-paying income skills that will allow you to make $10,000 plus per month if you become a master of them. All you have to do is use your skills and target the right companies, and they will be willing to pay you in order to execute their goals. Those were the three ways and strategies that you can use to make $10,000 per month. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up also. Please remember to subscribe to this channel, turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out on any of my videos, and I'll see you in my next video.